In what ways does the pivot arc spray system impact cost efficiency and maybe productivity and safety as well? And why would these factors compel a company to possibly invest in your patent?
When you manually spray, one of the things that you have to consider is what's the cycle time of the amount of time that the torch is actually on. What that means is when the operator's spraying and he pulls the trigger in and he's spraying, that's the on time. When they're spraying manually, they only can cover a relatively small area, maybe an area of 5 or 6 foot wide, and they have to move a lot. So they get a lot of on-off with the torch. The pivot arc is constantly on. It continues to follow around if you're spraying a girder, it continues to follow the contour of the girder without stopping. And we have a motorized trolley that moves the beam at a set rate so that it's actually another axis of the robot. There's servo motors in the cart. So the robot and the software knows the exact position of the girder at all times. And therefore, you can manipulate the pivot arc torch specifically where you want it, put the exact amount of material on where you want it. And it's all done automatically. So the big benefit, one of the big benefits is the fact that since the torch is on probably 80, 90% of the time, it just keeps spraying. It doesn't stop. It doesn't have to stop. Where the operator has to constantly stop and move and check what he's doing. So the productivity increase is probably 5-6 times faster. So I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this pivot arc technology. I've been working with it now 5-6 years, and I see the future with it. This is the future of thermal spray. If you'd like to talk a little bit more about it, give us a call at 724-229-5791. Drop in the email, bob@thermalspraydepot.com. I have many layers I can go into this with you and be glad to share it with you.